So I'm doing the LuvMe hair. I just got it. I'm super excited. Like, I saw a lot of great reviews on Instagram about it. I know my hair looks crazy. Please don't judge me. I'm about to put my LuvMe hair on, hopefully, and it's gonna go really good. Anyway, so I just received my LuvMe hair from UPS. They boxed it up all nicely. Super excited about it. Anyway, here we are. You see it's closed up. I haven't opened it. So excited. It's like Christmas. It is kind of Christmas because it's only January. Anyway. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The box is pretty. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh wow, it has a little bow. Let me fix the bow. It is a present. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So what I got was, what I think I got like the little longer length headband wig. I'm not a real wig wearer. You see my hair, I try to do like the flexi rod. Didn't work out well for me. I'm like a child. But either way, now I have the LuvMe hair. So let's see. Let's get into it. Wait a minute. I wish you could see me open up. Let me see. This is like a real unveiling. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LuvMe Hair. It's a personalized message. I feel so important. Show it again. So these are the headbands it's supposed to come with. Alright. Here's the hair. That's what I'm excited about. And then what is this? I don't know what that is. It's also a wig cap. Oops. And a brochure. She is so cute. Hey sis. Anyway, wig cap, something shiny with a zipper. I'm about to see what it is. Hold on. My personalized message that I'm sure they only wrote in the box for just me fell on the floor. But here we are. So anyway, this is, I don't even know what's in here. It's like a gift inside a gift. I'm so excited. What is this? It's like another headband. I don't know, it has like wire, maybe it's like a head. I don't know what that is. I like it. Tweezers. I don't know why I need this. Thank you. I'm a little confused by this piece. I don't know like what I'm supposed to do with it. So anyway, I have a couple bobby pins. Don't forget my stretchy piece. There, I have no idea what it's for. It's my stretchy piece. I have some bobby pins. And I have, I got me a little edges. Look. LuvMe Hair trying to make me sexy. Okay, child. Oh, and then I can rip the brand with the little LuvMe clip. That's cute. Okay, I'm not doing that right now. Anyway, I'm about to put everything in the bag. You know, I'm a little OCD, so I don't like messes and clutter. So I'm putting it all back in the bag. I like this little bag though, it's cute. Alright, so oh, I forgot my stretchy piece. Still not sure what it's for, but we'll figure it out. So for the final, I should do a drum roll. This is what I'm so excited about, this here. So, let's see. I have been so excited. I have been seeing so many pretty women online with this headband. It's supposed to be super simple. Oh, this is a little shorter than I thought it was gonna be. I thought listen, I wanna sit here and talk a lot of mess, but I really don't even remember. Okay. So whatever I ordered came really quickly, but I ordered so much stuff. I don't remember like the length that I ordered. But either way, the hair is nice. Kind of smells like fish a little bit. But I've had a lot of natural hair that doesn't smell good. So anyway, let's get into it. Alright, so today I had on my little headband. I also some bobby pins right here, so I'm about to just do like a real quick thing. I'm wearing my daughter's jacket, by the way. I feel like a janitor, but you can't see through my shirt. So anyway, this is my hair. I tried to do my my flexi rod set, didn't come out right. Here we are. But right now, I'm about to put on this little hair piece from LuvMe Hair. So I'm about to. Okay, let me start over. I'm gonna do it up. I'm like so excited. Alright, I'm about to pin it back. All the little hair tutorials I've been looking at have been like super easy, super simple. I need the second one. I need the second bite pin. To me, this is a little shorter than I expected. But, and it has some weight on it. Look at my janitor jacket. I felt like the president. Hey, listen, don't impeach me. Hold on, wait. Where's the other piece? I lost the other piece. Hold on. It's a little lopsided. I'm not sure if it's my head or the wig. Both of them. Something is not right here, but I'm a habitual ponytail wearer. Anyway, so like I'm super excited about how the ponytail's gonna look. So let's use this headband and see. I can't see what you see. Hold on. I also didn't flip this right. To me, granted, y'all, like, this is a literal, like, I feel like people do, like, unboxing, like, with expectations, like, they, like, you know, like, gel their edges down and, like, have, like, a real moment, you know, with their new hair. I don't feel like I did that, but to me, I just wish it was longer. But also, this is my order that I ordered. I'm not sure what I ordered at this point anymore, but actually, it's still kind of long, right? Let me see if I see a receipt. Hold on. Oh, I don't see a receipt, but y'all, like, for real, the hair is soft. I'm not opening this right now because I haven't figured out, like, the hair. I fuck with it though, like, I like it. Like, the hair is, like, soft. It was easy to put on. I want to do an unofficial veiling. I want to check my receipt so bad because I think I ordered something longer, but it is super long, so maybe I should, like, comb it out. So maybe we can do that, you know, my next video, I guess. But to me, the hair is soft. It's shedding a little bit, but I fuck with it, you know, like, I like it. It was super, sorry y'all, it was super easy. Oh, I forgot my light, hold on, wait. Alright, everybody look better, hey. Anyway, so it was, like, super easy to put on. I don't know, like, I don't hate it. I don't quite love it, but will I rock this? Oh God, facts, yes. Oh, no, it moved a little bit because, you know, I don't have no braids or nothing. I like it. I'll probably brush it out. Some. But look. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Like, that's why I'm not sure because, you know, curly hair, you know, be, like, short. But look, like, when I pull out the curls, it's long. Sis, I like it. They had a real good discount. I'll probably get myself together and do another one, but I fuck with it. I like it. Look. And I literally do ponytails all my life. I'm not mad. I like it. Anyway. I fuck with it. I feel cute. You see me. Okay, LuvMe Hair. I'm okay with it. I don't know. Like, I heard like 50-50 reviews. Like, people was like, no. People was like, yes. I like it. Like, I'm a new wig. I mean, I have worn like synthetic wigs and like cheap wigs and stuff like that. But like, for like it's supposed to be human hair. I guess it is. I don't know. I like it. You hate that? I may need to do some work, right? They put this little edge brush in here. They have like the little headbands. I have not used none of those things, but even like with this, I will go to Walmart looking like this. Don't open it. Cause I'm gonna do another one, like, because I really like this hair, Serenity. What do you think?
Can I get one?
Let me see. Let me see that.
Can you try it on with that real quick?
Okay, love me. I love me. You love me. I feel you. What's up with some clothes on? You ain't gonna know who I am no more. And on that note, bye.